Mouse. Hello, how are you today? Hello, Nibble. I'm not too bad. Just a bit of a sniffle. Yes, and a bit of a cough.
I know. Here we go again. Look, about his spreading germs. Everywhere. Tell him to go to bed.
Oh, I'm not afraid, June. I'm too heavy.
You're too heavy.
Yes, if I see any germs, I'll just sit on them. So I can get
I see.
Elephant, I think you need a bigger hanky. Here, use mine. No thanks, Nicole.
Hello, Elephant. How are you today?
Hello, Lion. I'm not too bad. Just a bit of a sniffle.
Yes, I can hear that.
And a bit of a cough.
Let's not start all that again. Lion, tell Elephant to go to the bed. He's spraying the whole jungle with germs. I'm not afraid of germs. I'm not too fierce. Fierce? Yes, if I see any germs, I just roar at them. Brush them with teeth. Like this. Roar! I see. Elephant, please don't sneeze. Elephant, I think you need a bigger hanky.
Why don't you give him yours?
Lions don't have hankies, we're much too fierce. Where can we find a bigger hanky? Aha! Thank you. This should be big enough. Here you are, Elephant. Elephant, please don't sneeze.
Hey, I think I'm better. I don't need to sneeze anymore. Oh no! Uh-oh. Please don't sneeze.
Achoo! Are there any good points? Well, I like the way how Melissa was like, hey, Hanky, and then she was like, hey, a lion, and then they did chase, and Melissa came back with the hunter's Hanky. Thanks. Okay.
William, I like it how you put the seeds, so you acted the seeds.
I like the way how like all Melissa, Olivia, and you Kristen, they all coughed at the same time. Like say for example, Olivia coughed first, and then you guys would like cough like small bit afterwards. You all coughed at the exact same time, not a second late. Well, yeah.
I like it how you guys like were squished together or like up.
I like how you introduced yourself, like in other plays only one person introduced us. Connor?
I like the way you
the voice a little bit louder? You could put like a bit more like action into it, like put a bit more moving in it.